This is Reggie's second experience with a pork rib. Reggie, what's this? What's this? Oh, Bubbles, what is that? Are you licking your chops? Good boy. What's that? Oh, sit. No, sit. Good boy. Down. Stay. Okay. Can I have that? Can I have that? Nope, not on the bed. You have to eat it on the floor. Come on. Come on, what's that? Sit. Good boy. You have to eat it there. Down on the ground. On the ground. On the floor. Come on. No, no. Right there. Sit. Good boy, you have to eat it there. Can I have it?